I have had this box sitting here for a week or two, and I have just been too busy to open it, but that changes today. Hey friends, welcome back to my sewing room. In today's video, we are going to take a look at, I think it's the June subscription box from Open Gates Quilt. This is a monthly sewing subscription box that I think with shipping costs around $45. All of the information for how you can sign up and get more details on this will be in the first comment down below this video. Let's get started. I need some paper scissors to open the box. And I'm just going to slice the tape. The inside of the box is always nice. At the top, it's got a label that says Open Gates Quilts, and then you've got some tissue paper. Let's open up that tissue paper and see what we've got. We have our letter and our project. So let's take a look at what she says first. It looks like she is now setting up automatic billing, and if you get this box and you're interested in doing that, you need to email her and she will give you a link so that you can do automatic billing. Right now the way it works is she sends you an invoice every month and then you have to pay the invoice and then she'll ship the box out. So she looks like she's fixing that. And she also says that if you want to cancel your subscription, you need to do so before the 10th of the month. And I think that's it. Okay. There's a notion of the month, a spool of thread, an extra fat quarter instead of an extra pattern, and then 2 projects. Let's see what we've got. Our extra fat quarter is from the Seeds of Glory fabric line. This is what the fabric looks like. Let's just open it up and roll it out for you. It's kind of like this really pretty gray with some little flower buds on top. And this is from, like I said, Seeds of Glory by Stacy West. We have a small spool of Aurifil thread. This is color number 2312, and it is 220 yards of thread. Our notion this month is a little funny because I got this in another box, which you can see at the link at the top of the video. It is a 6-inch by 8-inch Olfa rotary cutting mat. That's so funny. You know, when you get multiple subscription boxes, this is bound to happen from time to time. You're going to get repeat notions or fabrics. That's just the nature of the game. But that's okay, because now I've got one for me and one to give to a friend, so I'll put this in the giveaway box. The thing that makes the Open Gate box so fun is she gives you 2 projects to do every month, a bigger project and a smaller project. And I really appreciate how she does that. She gives you the pattern and all of the fabric curated, ready to go, so that the only thing that you usually need to bring is like your backing and your batting. She gives you everything you need for the quilt top for both of those. And the smaller project, usually she gives you everything to finish the entire project. So let's see what we've got for our projects. Project number 1, she has listed as a mini mat holder. And this is what the fabric looks like. This is featuring the flower and vine fabric by Monique Jacobs for Maywood Studios. Monique Jacobs is the same Monique Jacobs behind Open Gates Quilts. This is her fabric line, so that's really cool. On the back of it, you have a picture that shows you what the project's going to look like. So if you're ever not sure what this was and you've got it sitting in your stash, the pictures help remind you what you're going to make with that fabric. It has a picture on one side, and then the pattern and instructions will be in there as well. And then you've got all the fabric folded up nice and neat with a cute sticker on it that tells you what this is. And it looks like it's going to be perfect size to hold that 6-inch by 8-inch cutting mat. That's neat. Our second project, ooh, this is really pretty. The second project that we have is called the Log Cabin Star. And this is what that project's going to look like. There's a picture here, just like the other project, instructions behind it, and those are the fabrics that we're going to use to make that project. I'm going to take a peek at the instructions just to see how big this quilt's going to measure. And it looks like it's going to be a nice wall quilt that will measure 30.5 inches by 30.5 inches. And the instructions on this are really easy to read. There's color illustrations in here to follow along. And basically what you're going to do is make some log cabin blocks that are going to kind of go in like a circle-esque type pattern. And then right in the middle, you're going to do that really cool looking star. This would make an awesome 4th of July wall hanging. I like this. This is really great. And then a nice close-up view of the fabrics that are in this month's package. just flipping through them a little bit. This is definitely Civil War. Not necessarily my cup of tea, but if I were to do something Americana or 4th of July, this would definitely be a set of fabrics I would go towards. So really neat. That's everything for this box. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought overall. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and come on back Friday nights at 8:30 where we sew live right here on YouTube and we do lots of Quilty prize giveaways. Who knows? You might win one of these projects. I'll see you guys all Friday night. Bye.